What primary ingredients are used to make beer? Though used in varying proportions depending on the style being made. All beer is made from grain, hops, yeast, and water. The grains are much the same as those used to make many breakfast. Before the barley and wheat can be used to make beer, must undergo a malting process. Grains give beer three important qualities: malt flavor and aroma, color, fermentable material. Hops. Hops provide beer with piquant aroma, a variety of flavors, and a delicate to intense bitterness that balances the sweetness of the malt. They contain a yellow powder, which resins and oils contained in this powder are vital for beer making. A hop resin called alpha acid gives beer its bitterness. There are many different hop varieties, just as there are different kinds of potatoes. Each variety has a flavor and aroma of its own. Yeast. During fermentation, yeast consumes the sugars derived from the malted grain and excretes ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide in return. There are two major categories of brewing yeast: ale yeast and lager yeast. There are hundreds of different yeast strains within these categories. Some brewers believe the yeast used in the most important element in determining their beer's character: water. Considering that beer consists of up to 95% water, the quality of the water is of great importance. Water can have varying levels of mineral content, which can have a significant effect on the taste of the beer. These four simple ingredients can be transformed into a unique brewing art. There are hundreds of beer styles, thousands of breweries, tens of thousands of unique beers, all generated from these simple ingredients. With the addition of other ingredients, like spices or fruits, the flavor combinations are endless. Cheers!